Kasi nagre-ready pa ako.
Hello!
Hi
Hi,
guys!
everyone.
Welcome back to our
video.
channel.
Channel.
It's Sunday and for today's video, pupunta kami ngayon ni Kim ng downtown. And isasama namin kayo, magpapasyal tayo sa downtown guys. Sabi magiging sunny naman daw ngayon, pero medyo makulimlim. Pero anyways,
punta tayo ng downtown. Doon tayo sa waterfront station.
that is right.
Waterfront station. Waterfront.
Yeah. Pero bago yan, dadaan muna kami ng Bao Bakery. Bibili kami ng furred kasi
Bili kami ng siupaw.
wala pa kaming kain. Wala pa kaming breakfast and anything. So,
Anyways, I'll just update you later.
see you guys.
Hello. Hello everyone.
Hi!
So right now we are at waterfront. So we're just gonna walk around because it's a nice day and it's Sunday. So we're gonna walk around and show you. This is one of the top spots to visit when you're in Vancouver, and it's also very easily accessible by train.
Yeah.
Kasi you just get off at waterfront station and then you can walk here, and it's probably siguro mga 2 hours you can spend here and then take pictures. It's really pretty. So let's go. Ito is the Olympic Olympic torch. So nung nag-Olympics, this was being lit up. And then over there, we can walk over there.
Guys, nandito pala tayo ngayon sa Canada Place.
Canada Place. Yeah, sa waterfront.
Yeah.
Itong exhibit na to, it's called the Digital Orca. And maraming nagpa-picture including my family. Every single time they're here. So, yan. Maganda hindi, kasi may private function yan. Pero maganda yung mag-picture dyan kasi tignan nyo yung background.
True!
Yeah.
Very nice. Andito lahat, no?
Yeah.
Mountains, dagat, and nasa downtown kayo.
True. So, on the other side naman, ayan. Ayan makikita nyo. Downtown na talaga siya. This side is the financial district of Vancouver.
Downtown.
Yeah, yan yung Burrard. Diyan ako nag-works. Ay, sinabi ko. Okay lang ba yun? Siguro okay lang yun.
Hindi naman
So,
sa Burrard lang siya guys. Straight sa Burrard.
yeah. So, eto pala, pagpunta nyo dito, ang SkyTrain station, yung train, is on that side over there.
Pero
Tapos,
pupuntahan din natin yan.
maglalakad kami doon. Pero yung itong side, may Cactus Club. Pag nagsa-celebrate ng yung Canada Day, dito yung fireworks. Diyan. And yeah. So yan ang view. Lakad kami doon sa doon. Wait lang. Okay. So, ayan, naglalakad na bata. Pero, ito ang view. Ayan ang view dito.
Pwede dyan mag-stay for
Ano yun?
Sa
Restaurant yan eh.
Oo,
Yeah.
sa Kapentaran yun.
Yeah. Pero guys, just so you know, yung mga ganyan na malapit sa view, usually mahal. So,
Kasi kumakain ka with the view.
totoo. Ayun na ang view. Tapos doon sa side na yon, ano siya? Ano yung Stanley Park? Yung lahat ng
Iyon, hanggang doon.
yan. lahat ng trees na nakikita nyo na parang nakakumpol, Stanley Park na yun. Tapos may bata na hindi nakikinig sa kanyang lola. Ayan. Ayan.
Nila nakaharap ka dun. Sabi nila mga tatanda.
Ayan ang view. So maganda mag-picture dito, guys. Yung mga airplane na yan, pwede sila mag-tour.
Seaplane.
Seaplane. Mahal siya. Pero kung gusto nyong mabilisan na puntahan ng Victoria Island or Nanaimo, you can take that. I think it's about $200 for a one-way flight. And around $350, I think, for return.
Is it?
I think so. We looked at it before kasi magte-take sana kami. But anyways, ayan, other side, still Vancouver, very pretty. Ayan, that's
Ferry.
I don't know, that's like a cruise. Not too sure. Ayan.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then, eto, yung ano na yan. Yan na yung pa-start ng walk papunta ng Stanley Park. So if you walk all the way, like following that path, that sa seawall, you'll get to Stanley Park and then you can go all the way around. And yeah. So ganun din yung way pag gusto nyong pumasyal sa Stanley Park na
pero,
wala kayong car.
Oo, pero guys, isasat na namin yung expectations nyo na yung Stanley Park, sobrang laki na park.
Totoo. Oo.
So, hindi nyo malalaman if you're new here sa Vancouver, tapos pupunta kayo ng Stanley Park, tapos may makikita kayo na medyo hindi naman siya, parang typical na park na, eto lang ba yung Stanley Park? Hindi. Malaki pa po yung Stanley Park.
Kumbaga sa mga ibang place, kunwari sa New York, Central Park.
Central Park, yeah.
Tapos sa Philippines,
Luneta Park.
ito na po yung yung downtown uli. So dito, kunwari picture idea. Sige, post ka dyan. Ayan siya. Maganda, diba? Ayan. Minsan, nilakad namin to, mga siguro from here all the way around, siguro pag walang stopping, mga 3 hours.
Yeah.
Pero ang dito, ang common na gawin pag pupunta ng Stanley Park, mag-rent ng bike.
Bike or scooter?
Yeah, scooter. Kasi maganda, naiikot mo talaga. Tapos mabilisan. So, anyways, ngayon,
Okay, sorry. Gusto ko lang i-share. Gusto ko lang pala i-share na remember, if napanood niyo yung vlog namin about pasyal sa downtown sa Vancouver, pinakita namin doon na shared pa yung bike lanes and yung sa cars. Ngayon, open na yung lanes for bikes.
True.
So, ma-enjoy kayo. Very safe naman.
True. Now, we are on our way to the other side. So this is one side, and then there's another side, which is right next to the train station. So we'll go there right now.
So, we are
Wait,
downtown Canada Place and we're on street. That one.
So dito naman sa park na to, ito yung malapit sa waterfront station. Tapos yung mga Canada Place pa rin. Ayan, hotel yan. So pag may pag may mga cruises, dito sila nagpa-park, and then yung mga tao sa cruise, they visit downtown Vancouver. So ayan sila. Guys, tinitingnan kami kasi gamit ko yung gimbal, tapos ewan ko. So, manahanap nyo to, tapos nandito kayo sa video. Thanks for watching! Yan. Dito naman sa side na to, nandito yung mga ayan. Kung gusto niya mag whale watching and mag-rent ng bikes, you can rent bikes there. And then you can buy souvenirs over there, but it's pricey. Ayan. There's a lot of tourists here all the time.
So also take note of these signs, yung mga ganyan. For your safety na din. So dito yung mga bikers. And then,
Lane ng bikers, and then mga pedestrian.
yeah.
Yeah. And ingat kayo sa mga dumi sa floor. Kasi hindi siya dumi ng animals. Minsan, madalas. Okay, another photo idea. Ayan. So when you have that structure and this bridge, you know that you're in Vancouver. Ganyan ang itsura nyo pag kayo ay tourist. Cute. Tapos, ayan. Maganda din yung photo idea yan. Ang tingin sa downtown. Tapos, yan ang cruise ship. Laki. Grabe. Tulad niya, pwede kayong magpa-picture dito kasi maganda ang view. Kanina naalala nyo, nandun kami. So, ang next stop namin, pupunta kami sa kabilang side nito. Right?
Yeah, para makita nyo din kung ano yung, saan yung waterfront station, yung train station. Pupunta tayo doon. Kasi kung pupunta kayo dito, kung magtatanong kayo if very accessible lang ba siya by transit, very much accessible siya ng transit. So, pupunta tayo dun sa kabila.
True. Kung tourist kayo and you don't have a car when you get here, this is one of the places that you can visit. That's easy. And may mga buses din na nanggagaling dito na free sila. Free shuttle to Capilano Suspension Bridge and sa Whistler. So, yung Whistler hindi ata free, pero yung Capilano free. So, yeah. You can transfer your rides from here. Yung free shuttle na I was talking about earlier to Capilano. And then, kung gusto nyo mag-make sure na may ikot nyo talaga ang Vancouver, ayan.
Sila niyan, sightseeing.
Yeah. Pero hindi namin alam kung magkano yan. Siguro mga $30 to $50.
We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
We don't know.
So,
But if you want to check, sabi doon, you can check on their website, westcoastsightseeing.com. So, yeah.
westcoastsightseeing.com. Baka naman. Sponsor us.
Love to try.
Yung free shuttle sa Capilano, pero take note that Capilano is quite expensive to yung entrance sa Capilano sa may bridge niya. One is another well-loved Vancouver attraction, yung FlyOver Canada. May friend ng mom ko na recently lang pumunta dito and she loved this one. Gusto niya ulitin.
So much.
Yeah. Maganda naman kasi talaga. Ayan siya. So, nandito naman tayo sa Canada Place. Port of Vancouver. Port siya kasi dito nagsastop yung mga cruises. So, yeah, as I mentioned kanina, magsastop yung mga cruises dito tapos magbababa sila ng pasahero.
And then the passengers can freely roam around
Totoo.
Vancouver. So, kaya kung nakikita nyo maraming buses doon, usually hindi nagsastop yung free buses doon.
Oy, dito talaga sila.
Usually hindi. Lalo na pag busy. Meron doon sa sa may Burrard.
Okay. Ayan.
Sa Whistler pala yung sila. Sorry guys.
Ayan. Okay.
Ang laki pala niya, no? Sobra.
Ganito pala yung mga cruise,
It's
guys.
a huge boat. Tingnan mo.
May mga balcony. Tapos may nalulula ako. Ayan. Pero
Wow.
ang laki ng barko, grabe. Di ba nakakatakot yan?
Bakit naman makakatakot?
Kasi nakakatakot. May elevator pa sila. My God, guys. Iba talaga mga tao. Floor nga pala, may mga places in Canada.
Places.
Yeah, countries too. I mean countries, cities yan. Tapos may province.
So,
Ayan.
like may ganito
Yukon.
province, and then sa loob ng province, may mga ganito.
True.
And then another province na natin.
So if you want to do the FlyOver Canada, it's here. You go up there, and then there's an entrance there. Yeah. And then you can keep going until the end of this port. May isa pang cruise, oh. Dalawa pala yung cruise. Reached the end of the port, and we thought that there were two cruises, but there's actually three. There's another one behind me, and then this other one, and then the very first one that we saw at the end over there. The end of the port, and there seems to be a station over here. I don't know why, but it's been there for a long time. Tapos, kung wala yung mga cruise dito, maganda yung view. Dito din kayo pwede mag-pictures, mag-TikTok. And yeah, ito yung background din pag nag-picture kayo from here, looking over there. Ito pala, convention center siya. So, and hotel din. So, you can rent a room there. Pero mahal, guys. Yung doon, convention center. Pag may mga events din dyan din kami nagpa-vaccine kasi malaki yung space. And then, hotel din siya, pero mahal. Hindi yata eh. Pero ang dami pala. May Serenade of the Seas. There's Royal Princess is here. And then the other one is New Amsterdam. Yeah. Pretty cool.
So, tatlo pala ang may cruises ngayon. I like that meron
Oo,
silang mga
tatlo.
ganyan. No?
Ang ganda nito. Mas gusto ko to sa lahat kasi princess. and then tingnan mo, parang siyang si Cinderella kasi blue. Wala lang, okay. Yun na yun, guys.
So, kung magkakapit bahay kayo, tapos may balcony kayo, nagkakausap-usap lang kayo. Hindi kagaya dito na may curve. So,
Anong curve? May curve din naman sila.
Ito, parang ganyan. At saka parang parang
Maingay sila.
uniform lang dito.
Oo. Anyways, ayan na. So, ito yung Port of Vancouver. Yeah. Pag wala yung mga cruise, maganda yung view ng Stanley Park. Pero nandyan yung mga cruise. So, we're just gonna look at downtown Vancouver, which is there. Pabalik na uli kami dun sa front. We'll show you where the
Waterfront station.
train station, we'll show you where that is. We're going back now to, hi po mga Filipino, subscribe po kayo sa amin. We're going back now to the front, as we said earlier, and we will show you where to stop when you're taking the train. Downtown Vancouver from this area. Dito naman sa area na to, maraming mga hotels kasi nandito yung mga cruise ships. So,
Pan Pacific pala.
yeah. Ito yung Fairmont to. Tapos Fairmont na naman yung ayun. Ito, Fairmont na naman yan. And then hotel din ata to, di ba? Ay, hindi. Office yan. Basta, yeah. Maraming hotel dito sa area na to. Pero mahal. Oh, ito yung Fairmont. Ayan siya. Cross na kami. If you want to try fancy sushi while you're here in Vancouver, you can try Miku. Ayan siya. I haven't tried it, but apparently it's really good, but also quite expensive. Okay.
So,
Nice.
ito yung waterfront station, Expo line na waterfront station. I think that may daanan din ata dito for Canada line, pero this one is for Expo line. And then, kung magtatanong kayo kung saan banda to, ito yung view niya pagkalabas niyo.
Ayan, malapit na. Pero, ito yung sa Expo line, which is, saan ba yung Expo line? Sa atin ba yun?
Waterfront to Surrey.
Papuntang Surrey. So, kung galing kayo sa airport or surrounding area, kung galing kayo sa Richmond Airport, ganon,
Canada
line ang line nyo.
Yeah.
And, hindi ito yung lalabasan nyo, kaya huwag kayong ma-confuse. Pero, paglabas nyo ng train station, magre-right lang kayo. And then, eventually, it'll lead you to this station. Yeah. But, they're all stations connected sila underground.
Yep.
So, if you want to just go underground,
You can just
explore.
Pero
Tapos,
not
you'll
all
end up here.
Not all undergrounds, not all lines. Kasi Granville, wala. Diba?
Yeah, ang waterfront lang ang nagko-connect sa lahat ng train stations. So, kung confused kayo ever, punta lang kayo ng waterfront station, tapos dun kayo mag-meet ng pamilya nyo. Kasi iisa lang yung pupuntahan nyo. And it's all connected.
Yes. So, if nag-wonder kayo, hindi pa to yung isang main na waterfront station. Labasan lang to. Right? Punta tayo dun sa main.
Okay, let's go. So, ngayon papunta kami dun sa main center or waterfront station.
Main,
Basta doon na.
main na waterfront station.
Oo. Yun talagang pasukan ng lahat ng ng station. So, ito yung madadatnan nyo pag labas nyo ng station. Tapos, ito yung mga doors papunta sa labas. So, labas na tayo. And then it will lead you here. And then dyan na yung Port of Vancouver. And then if you keep going here, mapupunta kayo dun sa may Cactus Club na, ano ba yun? Sa Canada Convention Center. So, yeah. Pwede rin kayong pag ganun all the way there kasi all leads to one place. But right now, we are going back to
The parking area.
the parking lot. So, yun lang yun. We did that in under an hour. Well, actually, saktong 1 hour. Pero kasi, tiga dito kami. So, if you're gonna do it, like if you're planning your day, siguro plan at least 2 hours para pictures and pasyal. Mag 2 hours kayo. Anyways, I guess that's it for this video. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll do more of these videos na pang commuter friendly.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks all for watching.
Bye. See you guys.